is the defensive coordinator.
A.J. Brown sets up on the left side. Hurts looks that way, under pressure. Hunter chasing him. Can he pick up the first down? He's closing. Yes, he does. Play action. Going deep. Getting position and making the catch is Devontae Smith. Pressure this time. Wide open. A.J. Brown. And a first down. They're lined up to do that. Yep. In there. Touchdown. See what he does here. As he goes empty, forget about it. Go, the push, the touchdown. Jalen Hurts takes it in. 3rd and 4. Here comes pressure. There goes the ball wide open. It is Smith again, all the way for the touchdown. Rushing 3 most of the night. And this clock run down to 6. Hurts throws. That's caught. That's Brown. That's a first down.